Top load versus front load washer. Which is right for you? This is the trade table, where home improvement meets smart design. Shopping for a washer but not sure whether to choose top load or front load? We'll break it down in 2 minutes so you can pick the best washer for your home and laundry needs. Top load washers have a lid on top and fill from above. They're usually easier to load and unload without bending down. These washers often wash faster and work great for everyday laundry and large, bulky items. Front-load washers have a door on the front and tumble clothes horizontally. They use less water and energy, and they're great for deep cleaning and gentle cycles. Front-loaders also spin faster to extract more water, cutting down drying time. Top-load pros: easy to load without bending. Faster cycles on many models, often lower upfront cost. Top-load cons: higher water use, can be rougher on clothes. Front-load pros: water and energy efficient, excellent cleaning performance, gentler on fabrics front load. Cons: usually more expensive. Some require more maintenance. If you want convenient laundry and quick cycles, a top-load washer might fit your routine best. If you're focused on efficiency, deep cleaning, and long-term savings, go with a front-load washer. Shop quality washers, tools, and laundry room upgrades at thetradetable.com. Smarter design for every home.